In this video, we're going to be showing you how to know which input you should be going into on the Solo, and or if you have one of the larger ones, what to do as well. So on our larger ones, you can tell they have a combo jack for the XLR/quarter inch. They can auto assign line level and mic. These cannot. This is always going to be mic level. This is either going to be line or instrument level. So you can only go down so far with your volume and you're out, and you can still clip if you have the wrong thing plugged in. So in this particular video, we have a Shure 58. It's going to be hooked up here. So 58 is going to be into channel 1 on the back of this console, and we're coming out of bus 1 and bus 2. Bus 1 and bus 2 are both coming into here and here. This is bus 1, this is bus 2, and then we are returning out of the back into, on this console, channel 31, 32. So all makes sense while we're showing you in a second. So if you're talking normal, this isn't going to be a big deal. So Tanner's just going to talk.
1, 2, check.
And you can see here,
1, 2, check.
we're hitting quite a bit of signal
1,
because
2,
this is going to be mic level. And over here, we're barely hitting anything. If I turn this up, you can see it is there. So if Tanner starts hitting it pretty hard, take a look at this.
Hey, hey, hey.
So I'm going to go down with this,
Hey.
and we'll just match these.
Hey,
So we're clipping
hey,
on our left side,
hey,
and we're not clipping on the other side.
hey.
And that's because we're mic and we have a preamp, and we do not have a preamp here. So you think that's probably not a big deal, but when you actually listen to it, Alexa likes us. Oh, they got a mind of their own.
Stop listening.
So when you're returning though, that distorted signal is so bad. So Tanner's gonna hit it real hard again.
Hey, hey,
And you can hear
Hey!
we are overdriving.
hey.
Same hey, instead of doing our return from the clipping channel, we're gonna do our line level.
Hey, 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 hey.
And we're no longer clipping. So this will be our clipping,
Hey, hey,
lots of
Hey!
distortion. And then back to our other one.
hey, 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 hey,
Everything's the way it should be.
hey.
So there's no cheating. Our bus levels were the same. Our microphone was sent the exact same at Unity to everything, and there was no difference on the EQ for 1 and 2. The EQ is actually turned off. So that is the big difference it makes on this. The other thing that's very important on setup is do not have this button pressed. If you have this button pressed, it's going to be sending direct out to where you can monitor it. And at that point, you will be getting a duplicate of itself with the Defeedback program and monitoring the direct input. So that needs to be off. This acts as a master volume. So if we turn that down and then we go back to our channels and Tanner is talking,
Hey,
we have nothing.
hey, 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 hey.
But when we turn that up, and we'll keep talking,
Hey, 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 hey.
it is like a master volume for it. So hopefully this will help. Please hit like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let us know. We do sell these. So we just shipped out some to Australia. We've got some going to the United Kingdom. These are going out tomorrow. So we do sell these. We have tons of the Focusrite. This entire box has got 40 of the Solos that just came in. And we have tons of computers that we've pre-programmed, and they're little tiny guys as well. So if you do want to purchase these, just reach out to us at info@sweettreeproductions.com, or you can give us a call at 256-275-4734. And we have just got months and months of research into this, going on a year. And we actually just installed one of these with a 6 instance today, and we've got some 8 instance computers as well, and some that will do 12. We have all sorts of options. So just give us a call, 256-275-4734, or shoot us an email, info@sweettreeproductions.com.